So, now, ang i-discuss naman natin is RAAS or the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. It is a compensatory mechanism when the kidneys is signaled na may mababang BP. Once the BP is low and the kidneys signaled it, magre-release siya ng renin. Then renin goes into circulation, going to the liver, and the liver releases angiotensinogen. Itong angiotensinogen, once it is activated, it creates angiotensinogen 1. And then, this angiotensinogen 1, hindi siya mako-convert unless nag-release ang lungs ng ACE or the angiotensin converting enzymes. Kapag present na ang angiotensin 1 and ACE, mag-release na siya ng angiotensin 2. So, yun. Kapag meron ng angiotensin 2, remind you that this is a potent vasoconstrictor. Potent vasoconstrictor siya. So, kapag present na yan, your blood vessels will constrict. Once it is constricted, tataas na yung BP mo. And angiotensin 2 also stimulates the adrenal gland, specifically the adrenal cortex. Then the adrenal cortex will secrete aldosterone. Then aldosterone is known for its function na magre-reabsorb or there is a retention of sodium and water. Kaya, ang ending, tataas din yung BP niya. So, that's all. That is RAAS.